Something else?
Okay. Lay down though.
Huh? What lay down?
Like, can't even touch that table.
What? What are you gonna do?
Like this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ready?
Sige na.
Like that?
Hindi lagi mo flash. Okay, sige. Isa pa man.
You need to practice.
Na, I feeling na kayo ka.
Instead of just like that.
Sige na,
Look
go
like
back na.
3 pictures.
Why are you so big na? Really? Where did you get all those poses?
And just made them up.
Huh? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile! Hindi siya mo po ano, flash. Okay, at sa pamandi.
Oh, are you taking a video? Are you? No, man, you are.
You haven't figured it out. I was like,
When did you take a video? In the
I should
beginning?
take a video.
In
Yeah.
the beginning?
No, not really.
Okay.
Just when you decided you want to go down and lay down, I was like, this is gonna be fun.
Yes, it is. Because I'm gonna say, had a man.
Hey, feeling kayo. Super.
Oh yeah, you're taking a video.
My turn.
No.
No fair.
No. But you gotta act nice with this hat.
Hey, I always act nice.
Like this.
Sige na
Being
ba?
cute and so nice and
No fair
lovable.
ka.
Right.
Okay.
Bye bye, Casey. Alright, can I stop? Hi.
About me.
Wait, okay. Hi, over.
See, I told you.
Come on, do
You
like
have to do
like this.
like this. What else?
Yeah.
We're done. Okay.
Like-
Hey, no more.